Well, look at that now, eh? Snow's coming down now. Had to melt on the roof because of the heat, which is great. Just up here, that is burning really, really cleanly, which I'm really pleased with. Look at that, man, yeah. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So, yeah. Snow really coming down. Wow. That's much me breathing. So, yeah. Snowy, snowy, snowy. Quite big flakes as well. Not even that cold actually, that. So yeah, wow. That is a lot warmer than that, which is absolutely brilliant. So yeah, get inside now because it's absolutely freezing. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It is it's 10 o'clock. 3.2 in here. It was just above freezing. It is 0.8 outside. First one. And the next one is minus 0.8. Don't know if you can hear this. You can hear the wood burning stove that I've sort of installed today. And up, just getting a little bit of snow on the ceiling. This is not perfect. This is not the way to fit a stove, but I'm going to get some heat in here because it is absolutely freezing outside. That's all things are going in there. Really nice. Really soon gets it warmed up, and it is absolutely snug as a bug in a rug in here. I'm going to go to the woods tomorrow, collect some wood, stack it all up, process it, stack it all up under there. This next few days are supposed to be really cold. So yeah, and I've also got some fiberglass exhaust tape sort of stuff coming tomorrow, which I can wrap around there just to insulate it against setting anything on fire, because that's something I don't want to do. But I've got my fan up here. I'll show you. Stick this on. Oh man, wow. Put the fan on. It really helps circulate the heat round from there. There we go. And that just gets the heat circulating brilliantly. Sit down here. Oh, that is absolutely divine. Like I said, not the best way of fitting one. Don't fit one like this, whatever you do, but I need to seal it. Still letting quite a bit of smoke. I need to seal it, put some clamps around it. I've got some heat cement to fill all that in. But yeah, the heat that comes off it is absolutely amazing. When I first did it, earlier on today, it was a nightmare. The smoke that came out of it was unbelievable. Just everything filled up with smoke. But yeah, just have this on for 5 minutes. It just helps circulate the nice warm air all round. That is absolutely outrageous, that. And I've got some rope to fit down here to seal the doors all the way around there. Both doors. What I'm doing here, just using tray at the bottom, just as a vent, just to control the air that's getting in there. Yeah, absolutely amazing. It was a couple £100 off eBay. I think it came from Poland, and it is doing a really, really good job of heating this place. I'm really surprised how much heat comes out. I mean, you know, I'm sat here just a couple of feet away from it, and it is absolutely toasty, really warm. Don't know if you can just hear that. That's the snow on top. So what I'll do with this, just keep coming out every hour or so, just top it up. Actually, I'm going to go and get some oak, some elm, that sort from all the fallen trees. Chop it up, and I can start using that. Like I said, there's no way with the energy prices the way they are that I can afford to be heating my greenhouse this winter. This has took some hammering. I bought this is a spoon Jackson, but as you can see, this is what happens when you're using it and you're hitting nails all the time. Look at that, look at the state of that tip there. I'm a bit disappointed with how soft that metal is actually, because I just bent over it, seen it, absolutely terrible. So that needs a sharpen tomorrow, a really good sharpen. So yeah, this is the first day I've now with burning stove in. As you can see, I've just a metal plate there, that came with the stove, just screwed that in there, cut a rough hole in there, and that's it. But yeah, tomorrow, from Amazon, my fiberglass exhaust, rope tape, whatever you want to call it, it'll come. I can wrap all that in there, and that'll just help protect everything from the heat. So yeah, I'm absolutely red hot now. I need to open the coat up now. Let's see what it says on here, shall we? I just unplugged the fan. So I've only got so many sockets. Wrong one. That is the light. Get it. Come on, fan. Put my. That's it. And it is now 5.9. This one here, 0.7, that's gone down. But the other one is just outside here. And there's a little bit of a vent, so that's getting some warm air from my wood burning stove. So yeah, 5.9, so it's going up nicely, which is brilliant. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything on my channel, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Please keep warm, please keep safe. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Thank you, bye.